COUNOS DEX is an Estonia-based decentralized exchange that was launched in 2019, managed and operated by Counos, a company that is registered and licensed to legally operate in the EU zone. This platform was designed to offer peer-to-peer and community-based decentralized trades in a secure environment that empowers all crypto traders. The services of this exchange are available in 248 countries from all over the world. Users not only can exchange a variety of cryptocurrencies, but they can also use the common fiat currencies to buy and sell digital coins. Counos DEX holds license FBT000181, which allows it to offer virtual currency wallet services and to provide crypto and fiat exchange services. In order to trade crypto with fiat money and vice versa, and also to trade crypto with crypto, all users must have KYC verification. By using blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies, both individuals and businesses can be their own exchange without depending on any financial transfer or obligations from third-party middlemen, without any risk of fraud. As a decentralized exchange, Counos DEX does not keep any of the assets of users, instead using an escrow service enabled by a multisig wallet, a multi-signature wallet, which limits the access to only 2 private key owners. Counos DEX guarantees the safety of global online exchanges via 2-factor authentication using Counos SSO single sign-on.